Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 380. Insert delete GetRandom of 1, medium level. Need to implement the randomized set class with 3 methods and a constructor. Method insert an item val into the set if not present. Return true if the item was not present, false otherwise. Second method, remove. Removes an item val from the set if present. Return true if the item was present, false otherwise. And method GetRandom. Return the random elements from the current set of elements, and it's guaranteed that at least one element exists, then the method called. Each element must have the same probability of being returned. You must implement the functions of the class such that each function works at an average of 1 time complexity. So let's do it. It's not so simple and needs some more code than average. What we can do? We need to find some data structure to implement methods that have time complexity of 1 for insert, remove, and GetRandom. What we can do? We can create a dictionary and a list. In the list, I will keep all values. So let's create some list vals, empty list, and dictionary keys, empty dictionary. Vals will keep all values. We need the list to get random value from the list using function randIt from the package random to return random item. And the keys need to check indexes of each values. So let's implement it. First of all, let's implement method insert. And first of all, we need to check if val not in keys. We need to add a new item, so items dot append val, and else we need to add keys, index val, and the index of the previously inserted item. Its length of self items, not items, vals, -1. Otherwise return false, and here return true. First method done. In the remove method, we also need to check if val, in this case in self keys. And what we need to do, we need defined current index equals to self keys at index val. And also we cannot just remove item from items from vals, because we need to do it with time complexity of 1, but we cannot remove item from the list with constant time complexity. But we need to exchange some value in the middle of the list with the last item, and then remove the last item, which can be done with with constant time complexity. So let's do it. We need to find last index. It's length of self vals -1. And what we need to update index of the last item. So keys. Here we need the value of last item. So it's self vals at index. And now we need to change it to index. Here not index, last. After it we need to exchange items. So last item exchange with index item. Now last item contains the item to remove, and let's remove it. Self items dot pop and self keys dot pop key val, and return true, else return false. And finally we need to implement the method GetRandom. We need function randint from package random. From random import randint. And let's define index. Use randint from 0 to the last item self vals -1. So we found the random index, and let's return value self vals at index. That's it. Let's check that's all correct. So let's fix items, use vals. So I created a list of vals for key values and dictionary keys to check in the indices of each vals, and append new value and save new index. And to remove, find the index to remove, exchange with the last item in vals, and remove the last item. So that's it. Let's check tests, and I hope it works. Test works. Let's submit it. Okay, it worked and pretty efficient. You can see the whole solution. It's not short and simple as usual, but pretty interesting. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.